Hey folks, this is Terminal 21 in Pattaya, and let me just pan the camera around and show you that this is that place. And now I'm going to show you our hotel from here. How far is it? Let's see. Now, as you can see in the distance, there are many hotels out there. So you've got the Holiday Inn, you've got the Amari right there, and you've got Mercure. That's a hotel. So with that said, let's get this video started and give you a tour. Okay, so I just put on my wide angle lens, and this should give you an idea of the scale and size of this place. This is the living area, by the way. So here's where you keep your luggage. Nice area to tuck your luggage in. You've got a nice 40 to 43 inch TV, I guess. Yep, that's it. And you've got a nice place to sit down, chill, and watch some TV from here. Another advantage of this place is the fact that you also have a dining space here. You have a cute little corner, and Thailand is known for its takeaway and food. So if you want to bring some food back to your hotel room, you can, and you can totally enjoy it out there in that small dining space. Now there is a reasonably sized balcony here. I'm going to show you the view from out here in a bit because I'll have to adjust my camera settings because it's too bright. So I'll have to adjust my ISO and come back to that. You also have a small coffee table there in case you want to have some coffee in the evening. And again, I'm going to pan the camera and show you around this place just to give you an idea of the size and scale of this place. Okay, so this is it. The decor is nicely done. It is tasteful, I would say. And as I walk in here, now this is the suite, by the way. So therefore, you have a living and a dining space. This is the bathroom. And the bathroom, I would say, is pretty decent in terms of the size. There you go. Just to give you an idea. You still got one wash basin, but there's ample space on the right and left hand side to store your moisturizers, to store your deodorants, perfumes, etc. There's a nice big mirror there. There's a nice shower area here. And in case you want a view while you're bathing, man, you can. So let me show you that a little later on as well. You've got all the basic necessities here, like a shampoo, body wash, conditioner, nice shower. You've got a painting right on top of your WC that you can see in the mirror, by the way. Place to hang your clothes here. So all the basic stuff they've done pretty well. And you have a small little wardrobe area. So this is where you would store your stuff. And now we are heading into the bedroom. So this is the bedroom. And now let me just reduce the ISO a bit so that you get a feel of what it's like. Because it's quite bright, you know. I mean, you have the view of the Holiday Inn and you have a view of the sea as well. So it's got a sea view. I'm going to show you that in a small bit, but I'm just going to pan the camera around and just show you the room from this perspective, this angle as well. Here you go. So this is what the room looks like. Decently sized. There's a lot of space on the right and left. So it is quite a big, you could say, room. There's a space to sit, just in case. Again, another 40 to 43 inch TV. Okay, so let me now show you that lovely view outside. It's the view of the Kolan Islands right there. It's a sea view. It's on the 8th floor, so you may not be that high above, but the view is fantastic. Now, that's your Holiday Inn right there. That's your Holiday Inn. And that, I believe, is the swimming pool area of the Holiday Inn Hotel. That's the Holiday Inn Hotel, by the way. All of it is Holiday Inn. And right at the start of this video, I did show you that 7-Eleven. That is still there. That is your 7-Eleven right there. Now you're surrounded by buildings. There's no doubt about that. But it's still very quiet and private here. Let me show you the view from the balcony as well, because that is something that I was not able to show you. So I'm going to head back here into the living and dining space all the way here. And now let me step out to the balcony. I'm going to give you a lay of the land from this room as well. So you've got that couple of chairs here and that coffee table, something that you can enjoy in the evenings. Yeah, couple of beers, couple of coffees. That again is that view, that beautiful view that I was talking about. And now let me pan the camera around. And by the way, there, far away in the distance, you would get to see some other hills or mountains. Another hotel called Ozo, that's the brand new space hotel. And right there is your Terminal 21. Incredibly, you're so close to Terminal 21. You can see this hotel from Terminal 21 and vice versa. You've got your Grand Center Point Hotel there. And if you turn a little more towards the right, is that Central Marina? No, it might be, you know. So there are a lot of places which are very close to this place. There's the swimming pool on the 8th floor. Please note I'm on the, the swimming pool on the 5th floor. Please note I'm recording this from the 8th floor. So that's the view. Again, I'm going to pan the camera around very slowly so that you get an idea of where you are. Now this whole space here is the Holiday Inn Hotel. That's Holiday Inn. This is Holiday Inn as well. And oh, beautiful, fantastic. And all you got to do to step out to the beach is take that road straight down, and you're on to the beach in less than 4 minutes. Say about 3 minutes if you're walking really fast. So let me get back into the room and let's conclude this video, shall we? Before concluding the video, just wanted to also quickly mention the internet speed here in this hotel is absolutely fantastic. It's 70 Mbps. Now this could be very important to a lot of people who travel, like digital nomads. So 70 Mbps is a really good speed for your hotel room, I would say, and I was really happy with the speed overall. Okay guys, so that brings us to the end of this video. Now I've shown you two room types in my video. One was the standard room, which was 26 square meters. This one is a suite, which probably is around 40 to 45 square meters. I'm not entirely sure how big it is, but from the looks of it, it definitely looks like at least a 40 square meter room. Now with that said, you get two very different views from these rooms. Now let me know what you guys think is the better view. The 16th floor and a view of that Pattaya city signage, or a view of the ocean and the Kolan Island from this 8th floor. You also have a balcony which is comparatively bigger in the suite, and a balcony which offers you a view of Terminal 21, some mountains far away, and a lot more buildings, you would say. But it's definitely a bigger room. It's more spacious. I think it's perfect for a slightly bigger family, meaning if you are a husband, wife, and a child, or maybe two children, then you're definitely going to enjoy the size and space on offer here. If you are just a couple, then I think you should be happy with the 26 square meters. Comparatively, in terms of the views, I think the views were comparatively better on the 16th floor, but the size and space on offer is definitely better here. Now, what is also bigger is not just the room, but even the bathroom is comparatively bigger. There is no bathtub, but you're not going to miss that because in Thailand, it's hot and humid. So you're going to go out, you're going to sweat profusely, come back, have a quick shower, and that's what you're going to do. So I don't miss, it's no biggie, I would say. I don't miss the bathtub, and I think it's pretty all right. Now we have all the basic necessities that you would want in this room. And again, in terms of the size and space, I appreciate this over the standard room. And I think it's a lovely room for the price that you're paying it. Paying for it. Now, speaking of price, I forgot to mention this, that being an Accor Plus member, you have an advantage of getting some vouchers. So with those vouchers, what happens is you get complimentary room upgrades as well. And that's how we were able to secure this room upgrade. And I would highly recommend that you actually get an Accor Plus membership, because with that, you would be able to enjoy this complimentary room upgrade, subject to availability, by the way. In case there are rooms available, they will let you know and they'll help you upgrade. The hotel staff is very helpful. The hotel staff did give us an upgrade, although not on the first day, but on the third day, because again, subject to availability. Yeah. So with that said, it's a wrap for this one. I'm very, you could say, eager or very curious to find out what are your thoughts about these two room types. Which one of these rooms do you think is great value? And also, which view did you personally enjoy more? Let me know in the comment section. And I would say that's a complete wrap for this one. I'll see you lovely folks in my next video. Until that time, I'll say take care, stay safe, and may God bless you all.